100% cotton flannel fabric. Made in the USA or imported. Pro Shot 100% cotton flannel finished both sides cleaning patches have become known worldwide for superior consistency and cleaning power. Our patches carry the fouling through the bore with the least amount of abrasive contact to the barrel's rifling. The fact is well known that nothing surpasses our Exclusive Spec American Made 100% cotton flannel fabric finished on both sides for purposes of absorbing foreign matter and residue. All Pro Shot products are made in USA from USA components. 500 count 2 1/4 inch square patches. Top reviews from the United States. Really good material. What impressed me was the lack of lint that shed when used. I have used other brands of patches, some advertised as lint-free, but the material of these was as good or better and did not leave traces of lint or fibers even when I cut some in half.